Hello and welcome to this new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Um, in this video, I'm going to talk about analyzing sales data. So this data actually is about a small bakery that sells cake, pies, cookies, smoothie, coffee, and so on. And there is a data field here that precise whether there was a promotion during the sales, or if whether there is no, whether there is a promotion or not, specified by this column promotion. So when you look at this data here, we are going to go deeper into the data and analyzing and see how we can make use of this marketing data, how the bakery, any bakery or any company actually that has a sales data like this very one can make use of it, take advantage of it, maximize sales, um and hopefully satisfy, create an atmosphere of a better customer satisfaction here. So the first thing we want to do here, when you look at the date, we have the date here, we say 1/1/13 and so on. The first thing we want to look at the weekdays. We want to subtract the weekdays here, and then the days of the week. When I say weekdays, like Monday, we will say Monday is like the first day of the week, right? And then Tuesday will be the second day, Thursday, and so on. And the days of the week will be like, okay, Monday will be just Monday, right? Tuesday will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So that's what I'm trying to. So the first column we need to create here is weekdays. So I'll create a column here called weekday, and then I'll create another column here that I will call days of the week. So day week, if you want to, which will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So the first thing I want to do here, from this dates column, I want to subtract, right, the weekdays. So it's very simple. You just put equal weekday. Excel will make it easier for us to do so. And then I want to subtract this from this column, right, from here 5. Okay, cool. E5 and then 2, parenthesis close, enter. So that's 2. So when you look at January 1st 2013, you're definitely going to see it was a Tuesday. So I can increment this for all the data set, and clearly we can see here January 2nd 2013 will be on Wednesday, and so on and so on, and Sunday will be the 20th of 2013. January 20th will be a Sunday, and so on. It goes down the ladder, right? So that's the first thing that we are going to do here to extract actually the weekdays. The second thing that we may want to do here with this data, second information that we want to extract from this will be the days of the week, right? Whether this second, here this is the second day of the week, which is probably Tuesday, which is definitely Tuesday, right? So we want to have here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on, Saturday, Sunday. We want to have these here. And to do that, we're going to look a Vlookup, right? A Vlookup. And before we even use the Vlookup, you need to create a set of data here, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And the second thing that we want to do, because the two that we choose here based on this formula, when you put 2 here, you are saying like Monday will be 1, Tuesday will be 2, Wednesday will be 3, and so on. That's why I choose these two. If I choose another numbering, like 1 or 3, that will give me something else. Sunday might be my first day of the week, then Monday will be the second, and so on. It goes down the ladder, right? So when I choose 2 here, I'm saying Monday will be my first day, Tuesday will be my second day, and so on. So that's why I came up with this right here. Like Monday is my first day, Tuesday is my second day, and then Sunday is my 7th day of the week, because we have 7 days in the week anyway, right? So secondly, when you have these date ranges from Monday to Sunday, you want to give it a name, right? So you have to select all of these days from Monday up to Sunday, the 7th day, and then you give it a name. I did that already earlier. When you select, you give a name. That's the name that I choose here, look days. You can change the name, you can put it, you can give it any name that you feel like. Let's say you have like 3 and 5 here, right? And you have these two data entry. You want to give it a name. If you want to give it a name, you select the data and you come down here on this corner where you say R15. If you want to call it, let's say John, right? You can just put John there, and that's it. That's a naming convention, and that's it. So whenever you want to do here is to put in here lookup, right? A Vlookup. So with this VLOOKUP, we want to look up into this column here, the weekdays, which is D5, starting from D5. So D5, and then we want to put a 2 inside. That's it, parenthesis close, and then enter. VLOOKUP. Oh yeah, I forgot the look day, actually the data that we are going to use. Yeah, because when you put the lookup value, you have to put the table. My table here is look day, so I'll put my table that I call look day, comma, and then 2, right? The column index. So my column index here is 2, which says that Tuesday will be my second day of the week, and then Monday is the first day, and then it goes down the ladder, right? So we can press enter, and then we have this Tuesday. So clearly you have 2 here, and then it says Tuesday. So we can do that for all the remaining days. So we know here the third day will be Wednesday, the fourth day will be Thursday, and so on.